Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, data handling. Today we shall discuss about the only introduction part. Dear students, in our daily life we get different situations like suppose marks scored mathematics by all your classmates including you. Okay, then the weight of all your friends, then height of the students of your section, then number of storybooks read by your friends. Okay, so here what we are collecting some informations. These informations are called data. This data can be represented in different ways, especially we can represent them graphically. In lower classes or in class 6 and 7, you represented them by the help of pictograph, bar graph or even double bar graph. Students, let us start our chapter with the topic organizing data. Suppose your teacher asked you, what is your favorite subject? You all will reply like this, mathematics is my favorite subject. Someone will say English is my favorite subject. Someone will say art is my favorite subject. So what you have said, let us make a list here. Alright. Now students, you replied like this. Art, someone say art, mathematics, like this you have said. Now someone entered into the class and asked, which is the most liked subject and which is the least liked subject? Then what teacher will say? Teacher cannot answer properly because these data are written in opposite way. So what we have to do, we have to arrange them. Okay, then only we can say which is the most liked subject and which is the least liked subject. So for that, let us arrange the subject. Subject, telemark, number of students. Okay, suppose this subject is art, next is mathematics, next is science, next is English. Now let us arrange them. Art, here we make a telemark, mathematics, here science, English, mathematics, art, English, mathematics, English, art, science, art, science, mathematics, art. Now we shall represent like this. When it will be 5, we'll cross like this. Then English, art, science like this, mathematics like this, science 1, art. Okay, so here number of students will be 5, 6, 7. Here it is 5 and here it is 6 and here it is 4. Now the teacher can answer easily which is the most liked subject, art. Which is the least liked subject, English. Now here these are called frequency. Frequency means number of times a particular entry occurs or a particular observation occurs, and this table is called frequency distribution table. Students, just now we have discussed about the most liked subject and the least liked subject. Now here for the subject, suppose art or English, okay, we can say easily because the number of the students or the number of observations were less. Now sometimes this may not happen. Number of observations are large. Then what will do? Let us discuss it today. That's why we have taken the topic grouping of data. Here these are the marks obtained by 60 students of class 8 in mathematics out of 50. Okay, so here we have taken marks obtained by the 60 students. Okay, so here how will we group? At first let us see the mark here. Then here telemark, then here number of students. Alright, now here if suppose you want to write 21 here and so many 21 may be there. In this way, if we make the table or the frequency distribution table for all these 60 data, this table will be so big. So for convenience, what we'll do, we'll make some group. For example, suppose we'll make group like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. In this way, we will make the group. Suppose let us make from 0 to 10. You can see there we have made a table here. This is the mark. We have made the group 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Now students, here if someone get 10, will not include here. It will be included here. Okay, here up to 9.5 will be included here. Here 20 will not be included here. 20 will be included here. Suppose someone has got 50, so we cannot include that 50 here. What we will do for that? We made another plus. Alright, this is 50 to 60. For that reason it is made. Now let us complete it. Let us see. This is 21. 21 will be included here in between 20 to 30. 10 will be included here. 30 will be included here. 22 here. 33 here. 5 here. 37. Like this we complete the table. Okay, as you can see that we have made the table. Here total is, you can count, it is 60. Alright, this is another frequency distribution table. Here students, these are called class interval. Here it is class interval is 0 to 10. Here class interval is 10 to 20. Here class interval is 20 to 30. Here students, in this you consider any class interval. Suppose here this is called lower class limit and this is upper class limit. This is lower class limit, upper class limit, lower class limit, upper class limit. Here you can see this is uniform, means the difference is same. This is called class size or class width. Class width means it is the difference between upper class limit minus lower class limit. So here students, what is the class size or class width here? It is 10. 10 minus 0 is 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. So we have got class size. Size means upper class limit minus lower class limit. So here, as we have grouped this data, this is called group data. Now this data can be represented graphically. Now question is, how can we represent this group data? We can represent group data by a graphical representation called histogram. So let us learn how to draw histogram. Dear students, here we have made the last frequency distribution table. We want to represent graphically, that is by the help of histogram. Alright, so let us proceed. Let us draw two lines, two perpendicular lines. This histogram we will make in the graph paper. Here we have made equal gaps. Here it will be 0, it will be here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is for marks of the students. Alright, here number of students. We shall mark with equal interval, with equal gaps. 20, 22, 24, like this. Here it will be number of students. Number of students. Alright, this is x-axis, this is y-axis in the graph paper. Now, how will we? 0 to 10, 2. 0 to 10, 2. Okay, then 10 to 20, 10. 10 to 20, 10. Like this. Okay, then 20 to 30, 21. 21 is here. Okay, this is the gap. 20 to 30. Then 30 to 40 is 19 student. 19 will be here. Then 40 to 57 from here. Okay student. Then 50 to 60, 1 student. 1 will lie here. In this way we can represent histogram. There is in bar graph what happened. In the bars there were some gap, but here bars are together. Okay, as there is no gap here, 0 to 10, 10 to next is 10 to 20, there is no gap. So here also there will be no gap. Alright student, today up to this much. Thank you.